Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade recipes every week. In this video, we're making a delicious soup using salmon head and tofu. Due to the large amounts of vitamins, including natural omega-3 it contains, salmon head soup is a healthy dish to consume during the cold and flu season. As a matter of fact, my first landlord, who lived over 100 years, once told me eating salmon head once a month was her secret of long and healthy life. Enough said, let's begin. The ingredients are salmon head, dried red chili pepper, ginger, scallion, garlic, and organic firm tofu. Let's season the salmon head. Salt about 2 teaspoons. Cooking wine. Chop the scallion into small rings. Crush the garlic clove. And slice the ginger root. Cut the tofu into small blocks. Then we're gonna sear the salmon head a bit. For about 1 minute. Add dark rice vinegar, the sliced ginger, garlic, toss in the dried red chili pepper, add about 1.5 cups of water, sugar about 2 teaspoons, and then add the tofu. Salt as needed, cover the lid, bring to boil and simmer for 30 minutes to an hour. The longer the fish head and tofu get cooked, the more delicious they are. 30 minutes later, add scallion and cilantro for decor and taste. The tasty tofu and fish meat melt in the mouth easily. A cup of rice is all we need to serve a perfect meal. So satisfying, especially when I imagine a long and healthy life ahead of me. Alright, time flies. We're reaching the end of another episode and hope you had a good time. Please check out the other videos in my channel, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you around.